I'm Kyle. I'm with the Food Liability Insurance Program, or FLIP. We're here at the Lancaster Central Market, America's oldest farmers market, and we're talking to vendors about what it's like to be a vendor at a farmers market. So thank you for joining us. Could you give us your name and maybe a little bit about your business?
Sure. My name's Nate. I'm with Rebel Hive Meadery, and we make alcohol from honey.
When did you start the business, or when did you get into the market?
The business has been around for about 5 years. We've been in market, though, for about 3 months.
What's something different about working in a farmers market than maybe a traditional business?
Traditional grocery stores tend to focus on quick turns, whereas market is definitely focused on your community and knowing your customers name to name.
So there's a lot of people here. What are some things that you do to attract people to your booth?
For us, it's free samples, kind of building the experience for sampling for the customer.
And if there was somebody just getting into the farmers market business, do you have any tips or advice you would share through your knowledge?
Yeah, show up every day, every market day, be here.
What are some of the biggest challenges of being in the farmers market space?
Definitely competition between other stand holders and other venues for food in the area.
Do you have any horror stories or anything crazy to tell us that we can all laugh about?
Yeah, I mean, I've seen it all. I've been working farmers markets for about 15 years now, and I've seen just about everything. I've been yelled at for trying to sample to them, asking for ages, you name it.
On the lighter side, then, what's the best part about working in a farmers market?
Definitely the customers. Getting to know your customers on a name-to-name basis.
Since you've worked in farmers markets for so long, do you think that the popularity will continue to rise? What do you see for the future of farmers markets?
I definitely see farmers market rising as far as popularity because we're going back to roots of kind of local and fresh produce and ingredients.
Thanks so much for joining us, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.